In this video, I'm going to show you how to earn your first $300 a day with CPA marketing. And if you are new to this channel, I make videos about how to make money online. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. And also make sure to check out the first link in the description. It's going to bring you to this page right here where you can literally enroll for this CPA course and start making passive income every single day with CPA marketing. And the method I'm about to show you in this video, you can use with any other CPA network like Cpagrip, CPA Build, or CPA Lead. Okay, so basically you can see this account has generated over $300 just today alone. And this is not even my main OG Ads account. I only use this account to test out new methods. So basically this method right here is obviously profitable, and I'm going to show you how you can do this even as a complete beginner. Okay, and you can see these are the leads that have been generated today. You can see this one right here. So basically these are the type of high paying conversions that you need to be able to amount to up to $300 every single day. And I'm going to show you how to do everything right in this video. So basically, as you can see right here, MDO niche right here, basically this means that these earnings are from content lockers. And I'm going to show you how you can also monetize content lockers and make money with CPA marketing. So basically the first thing you want to do is to pick a niche. I have compiled a list of profitable niches that you don't need to do a trial and error before you start making money. However, if you don't have access to the course, you can basically take advantage of this niche list right here. So all you need to do is just screenshot this video right now and you can select any of these niches on this page right here. So basically for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be taking the spirituality niche as an example. You want to come over to this website called FreePLR downloads.com, and the reason why you want to come over here is because since we are going to be making money with content locking, then we want to look for content that people are going to get after they complete our content lockers, which is going to be a win-win situation because they get access to a good content and you make money as well. Since we are taking spirituality niche as an example, we want to look for spirituality right here. I'm just going to be going for this law of attraction right here because it's a spirituality niche. So I'm going to click on law of attraction. As you can see right here, these are free high quality PLR ebooks that you can give away for absolutely free. You don't need to worry about copyright issues. So basically you can see this one right here, 10 ways to attract the things that you really want in life. So now you can use any of these PLR ebooks right here, but I'm going to be taking this one as an example. So now you want to click on the ebook and all you just need to do is to click on download right here. So once you have it downloaded, you can see it's downloading to my PC. Then you want to head over to a website called mediafire.com. So once you come over here, you want to basically upload this ebook to this website. So basically all I need to do is to upload the PLR ebook I just downloaded right here. So basically, as you can see, this is the PLR right here. So now the next thing you want to do is to basically copy the link right here. And you want to head over to your CPA account. Like I said, you can use Cpagrip or any other CPA network of your choice. Okay, so basically now you want to come over to this section that says content lockers. So once you click on this section right here, you will be able to create a content locker right away. So all you need to do is to click on create a content locker. So I'm just going to give this content locker a name, law of attraction. Okay, so now you want to scroll down to this section that says redirect to another URL. So this is where you are going to be pasting the Mediafire URL. Okay, if you are using Cpagrip, then you want to use a URL file locker. Okay, so now once you've done that, you want to come over to this advanced section right here. And this is where you are going to be selecting the amount of leads or the amount of offers you want people to complete before they can have access to the download link. So for me, I usually set mine to 2. Okay, so basically people need to complete 2 CPA offers before they can have access to download the content. All right, you can set it to 1 if you want. So basically this is up to you. So now you want to come over to this desktop specific right here, and you want to come to this desktop title and this description title right here. You want to basically write a good call to action right here that is going to entice people to click on the content locker and complete your CPA offers. So now you want to change this desktop title to wait, please unlock download link. And you want to change the desktop description to complete any 2 offers below to begin download. And you want to also come over to this mobile specific section and you want to do the same right here. Okay, you want to change the mobile title to wait, please unlock download link. and you want to change the mobile description to complete any two offers below to begin download. All right, so once you're done, all you need to do is to click on create locker, and once you do this, you'll be able to grab your content locker link right here. Okay, so if I open this link in a new tab, as you can see right here, wait please unlock download link, complete any two offers below to begin download. All right, as you can see, these are CPA offers right here, which tells the visitors they need to complete any two offers on this list right here, and they will get access to download this ebook for absolutely free, and you make money in return. So basically it's a win-win situation. So the next step now is driving traffic to this content locker and start making money. So now the first thing you need to do before you drive traffic is you need to have an idea about your niche. So basically, since I'm using this manifestation niche as an example, which says 10 ways to attract the things that you really want in your life. What do people really want? Example of things people want is money, relationship, health. So basically, if I take money as an example right here, okay, so if I go over to TikTok and I type in money manifestation or manifest money right here, you are going to see a lot of videos that people are making on TikTok regarding this keyword alone. And as you can see right here, this video that was posted 8 minutes ago, you can see right here is on its way to first 10,000 views in less than an hour. And if you see the video right here, it's a basic and very simple video, and I'm going to show you in this video how to create a simple video like this. Okay, you want to basically create content around whatever niche you chose. Okay, so now you want to go over to pexels.com and you want to basically type in a keyword related to your niche right here. And if you are working with the fitness or relationship niche, all you need to do is to type in the keyword right here, and you are going to see abundance of videos that you can use for absolutely free on pexels.com. So basically, I'm going to be taking this video as an example. I'm going to download this video right now. So the next step now is to go over to canva.com to create your content. And now you want to type in TikTok right here. So if you type in TikTok, you'll be able to see TikTok video right here, and you want to click on that. And you are going to see a lot of templates that you can use for absolutely free. So now I'm going to take this one here as an example. So if I click on this video template right here, and here you want to click on customize this template. So as you can see right here, once you do this, you can change the text on this video. Now since I'm in the manifestation niche, like I said, people want money. Okay, so now you want to type in something like money manifestation quotes. So if you're in the fitness niche, you can basically type in tips to lose weight. And if you're in the relationship niche, you can type in relationship advice or best tips for relationship. Okay, so basically those are the type of keywords that you want to type in on Google so that you'll be able to create content that people are going to watch and you can make money. All right, so I'm going to take this one here as an example, which says 20 manifestation quotes. Okay, so now you can see this is the first quote right here. We receive exactly what we see. See yourself living in abundance and you will attract it. So all I need to do is to copy this quote right here, and I'm going to go back to Canva, and all I just need to do is to click on this text right here, and then I am just going to replace that with the quote. Okay, you can see this is the quote right here. All right, now I'm going to preview this video right here. So now you can see we receive exactly what we see. See yourself living in abundance and you will attract it. So basically this is one tip right here, and you can add as many tips as you like. So for this section right here, you can delete this if you want, and you can basically leave it as it is. All right, so now the final step is to basically come over to this element right here, and you want to type in arrow. If you type in arrow, you are going to see this arrow right here, and you want to drag and drop this arrow right here. Okay, so basically I'm just going to leave this arrow right here, and you want to come over to the text section and you want to drop a text like this. So basically you want to add a simple text like this: $100 worth of gift in bio. So basically this is to increase people's curiosity. I want them to check your bio out. Okay, so if you don't write something like this, then people are not going to get curious enough to check your gift. Okay, so basically once they go over to your bio, then they are going to see a link that will redirect them to this page. So now once you do that, all you need to do is to download your video right now. Like I said, you can add as many tips as you want, but basically one tip per video is good enough. The video is about 10 seconds long, and keep in mind people don't watch long videos on these platforms anyway. Okay, so now what you want to do is to basically download this video right here. If you don't like the template on Canva, all you just need to do is to upload the video you downloaded from Pexels, and you want to replace the video with the one on this template right here. I hope that makes sense. All right, so now once you're done, all you need to do is to download this video right here. Okay, and one final thing you need to do, you need to make an adjustment to your content locker. And now you want to come over to this edit right here, and now you want to change this download here to unlock gift. Okay, so basically I made a mistake. Now you want to replace this download with gift. All right, so now all you need to do is to click on edit locker right here, and it will be edited right away. So basically if I refresh this page again, as you can see right here, so wait please unlock gift link. So like I said, if they come over here, as you can see, $100 worth gift in bio. So basically if they complete any two offers right here, and they will be redirected to this link right here to download this free ebook. You can see right here, this is a win-win situation. They get something that is actually going to benefit them since they are already interested in this niche right here, and you make money in return. So once you've downloaded the video, all you need to do now is to create a TikTok account in that niche. So once you create a TikTok account, all you need to do is to basically upload the video. All right, so you want to type in something simple like this: manifest abundance into your life. And now you want to type in keywords related, as you can see right here, manifesting method, attract anything you want. So basically you want to type in related keywords. And now you can see this is the video right here. And for those who might be wondering, why didn't I add music to this video? And that is because it's not necessary. But for those who might want to add audio into this video, you can come over to this website called bensounds.com, and you can download copyright free audio from this website right here. And all you need to do is to import the audio right here, and you can download this video with the audio. So basically all you just need to do is to click on post right here. And now you want to repeat the same process for Instagram as well. You want to upload the video to Instagram, and all you just need to do, like TikTok, is to basically come over to the profile. All you just need to do is to change the link right here to your content locker link. And now to do that, you want to basically grab your content locker link, and you want to go over to bit.ly.com. So once you come over to bit.ly.com, you want to paste your content locker link here, and you want to click on shorten. And now you want to copy the content locker link and go back to your profile, and you want to click on this edit profile, and you want to click on this website right here. As you can see, I can edit this website from my PC. So if I'm on my mobile phone, I'll be able to add the link to this profile right here. So basically you want to be on your mobile when you want to add the content locker link to your bio. Okay, so once you do this, all you just need to do is to upload on TikTok, Instagram, and you want to upload on YouTube Shorts as well. So basically combining these three traffic sources is going to get you to earning higher conversions every single day. So basically that brings us to the end of today's video. And if you learned something in this video, please leave a like on this video. I really appreciate it. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.